today we are going to begin with the lesson number 4 of your class 8 English, that is famous cartoons character. So let's begin with this lesson. The famous cartoon characters. The story of the development of a cartoon character started in the early decades of the 20th century. कब start हुआ था? Early decades में start हुआ था 20th century के. The origin of progress and some cartoon characters is interesting. जो origin है और जो progress है ये बहुत ज़्यादा interesting है. Donald Duck is a funny animal cartoon character in 1934 at Walt Disney Productions. So कब हुआ था? 1934 में था. Donald Duck एक funny का animal cartoon था Disney production में, Walt Disney production में. He has appeared in the year 1934. 1934 में appear हुआ था The Wise Little Hen. क्या थी वो? एक Wise Little Hen थी. Donald is an anthropomorphic means human qualities होती है जिसमें which duck with a yellow orange bill, legs and feet. He typically wears a sailor suit with a cap and a black and a red bow tie. वो क्या पहनता था? he typically wears a sailor suit जिसमें क्या होती थी? एक कैप होती थी, एक रेड बो टाई होती थी ब्लैक के साथ. Famous for his explosive anger and speaking with lips. वो अपनी explosive anger के लिए famous और speaking जो lips से बोलता था. That is often difficult to understand, and his mischievous and irritable personality. उसकी mischievous और irritable personality थी. Donald found its way to top. Donald was first voiced by Clarence Nash. किसने voice करा था उसको? Clarence Nash ने करा था. And now by Tony Ashelmo. अब कौन कर रहा है? Tony Ashelmo कर रहा है. And its catch phrases like "What's the big deal?" उसका catch phrase क्या है? What's the big deal? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Liked by all. हर कोई इन phrases को पसंद करता है. Along with his friends Mickey Mouse, Donald is one of the most popular Disney character. Mickey Mouse के साथ Disney character क्या है? Donald भी बहुत ज़्यादा famous है and was included in TV Guide's list of the 50 greatest cartoon characters of all time in 2002. में TV Guide list में एक famous characters में list करा गया था 2002 में. Donald has marked its appearance in comic books. Comic books में भी आई हैं, theme parks, short films and children's toys and stuffs. So, Mickey Mouse is funny animal cartoon created in 1928 by Walt Disney. Mickey Mouse क्या एक famous Disney cartoon है जो 1928 में बना था Walt Disney की वजह से. And UB Lux से and the Walt Disney Studios ने बनाया था इनको. Mickey is an anthropomorphic mouse. वो भी एक anthropomorphic mouse है, like जो जिसमें human qualities होती है. Who typically wears red shorts. वो क्या पहनते थे? Red shorts पहनता है. Large yellow shoes है, with white gloves. So warm personality with a famous face along with those oversized ears. उसके क्या oversized ears है. So it's all specific Mickey Mouse, the best reminding you of an old friend of your childhood. So Mickey first was seen in a single test screening. उनको first single test screening में देखा गया था Plane Crazy. Mickey officially debuted in November 1928. कब debut हुआ था? November 1928 में debut हुआ था officially in the cartoon serial में. That is Steamboat Willie, one of the most first sound cartoon. ये first sound cartoon था. Mickey Mouse was voiced by Walt Disney himself. Walt Disney ने खुद से उनको क्या करा था? Voice दी थी. And later by Jim McDonald. फिर किसने दी थी? Jim McDonald ने दी थी and Vinnie Elwin ने. He went on to appear in over 130 films. 130 films में appear हो चुके हैं, including the band concert 1935, Brave Little Tailor 1938, Fantasia 1940. Mickey appeared primarily in short films. कब appear हुआ था? Short films में appear हुआ था ये. But also occasionally in features length films. 9 of Mickey cartoons was nominated for Academy Awards. किसमें nominate करा गया? Academy Awards के लिए nominate करा गया है for Best Animated Short Film. One of which Land Up Poe won the award in 1942. एक award won करा था किसमें? 1942 में. In 1978, Mickey became the first cartoon character. 1917 में Mickey खुद cartoon character, first cartoon character बने थे to have a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. एक star की तरह Hollywood Walk of Fame. Beginning in 1930, Mickey has also been featured extensively as a comic strip character. Comic strip character में भी feature किया गया. His self-titled newspaper strip drawn primarily by Floyd Gottfredson ran for 45 years. Mickey has also appeared in comic books. ये comic books में भी appear हुआ है, television series में भी, जैसे such as Mickey Mouse Club 1955 to 1996 and others. He also appeared in other media such as video games. Video games में भी appear हुआ है, as well as merchandising and is a meetable character of the Disney parks. ये meetable character है Disney park का. He is very popular among the audience. बहुत ज़्यादा popular है Mickey Mouse audience में, and this can be seen by the demand of his toys, games, clothes, bags and what not. अब इसे देख सकते हैं toys की बहुत ज़्यादा demand होती है, games में होती है बहुत ज़्यादा demand, या किस में नहीं होती. Now Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh or the Pooh Bear is on the top list of cartoon characters. Top list में cartoon characters के and loved by all. हर कोई इनको प्यार करता है. This cartoon character is very sweet. बहुत ज़्यादा sweet character है and kind and tries to help out his friends. और ये अपनी friends को help करने में help करती है. It is a honey colored bear. ये honey colored bear है. Wearing a red shirt. Red shirt पहनता है. The teddy bear knows how to steal people's heart. इसको पता है कि लोगों का दिल कैसे जीतना है. By the words on the and the deeds. It was created by A. Milne, marking its first appearance in the children's words book. किसने बनाया था? A. Milne ने बनाया था. Children के कब आए थे? Children first book में आया था was that when we were very young. Book was the when we were very young. In 1924, Sterling Holloway gave his voice to the Pooh. Voice the Pooh को उन्होंने अपनी in the year 1966 for the film Winnie the Pooh and the Honey Tree. Film जो आई थी Winnie the Pooh and the Honey Tree. So this cartoon character has started in so many cartoons. ये बहुत सारे cartoons में start हो चुका है and special both feature films and televisions में also. Popeye the Sailor was created by L.Z. Chrysler Sager and appeared first as a comic strip in 1929. एक comic strip की तरह कब आए थे? 1929 में आए थे. Popeye started in Betty Boop cartoon. किसमें start हुए थे? Betty Boop cartoon में starred in Betty Boop cartoon में star हुए थे. ये कौन? Popeye the Sailor in 1933. After the Popeye appeared in comic books, television, cartoons, video games, and arcades, peripheral products, and hundreds of advertisements. In 1980, Robin Williams played Popeye. Robin Williams ने play करा है Popeye in a live-action film. It is loved by the audience because of the humor and adventure involved. क्यों करा था love audience ने? उसके adventure की वजह से और humor की वजह से. His bulging forearms, staccato chuckles. उसकी जो bulging forearms से staccato chuckle कर रहे थे, and squint eyes portrait. Chuckles means quite laugh. So staccato cuts short notes of music. So squint eyes. Squint means a condition of eye muscles that make each eye look like a slightly different in direction. And portrait is a different type of figure. So in him where his catchphrase I eat my spinach. उनकी catchphrase कहते हैं I eat my spinach well blew me down. What stays in mind of audience? Audience ने इनको किससे याद रखा है? I eat my spinach well blow me down. So Buggy Bunny now was created in 1938 at Leon Schlesinger Production. कब बना था ये? 1938 में create हुआ था Leon Schlesinger Production में. School singer production के लिए singer production में. Mr. Witty, the intelligent mastermind. Mr. Witty कौन है? Intelligent mastermind थे. Such captions can describe him better. He what's up dog? This is the catchphrase. He what's up dog? ये क्या है? इनका catchphrase है. This calm, cute and naughty grey rabbit. ये क्या था? Calm, cute और naughty grey rabbit था. Has got the love of people all around the globe. पूरे globe में लोग इसको प्यार करते हैं. His starring role in Looney Tunes made history. Now Tom and Jerry. Everyone knows Tom and Jerry were created by William Hannon. William Hannon ने create करा था. Geoffrey Barbera ने for Metro Goldwyn Mayer. They are fighting on screen since 1940s. ये कब से लड़ते आ रहे हैं? 1940s से लड़ते आ रहे हैं screen पे. Tom is a cat and Jerry is a mouse. Tom cat है और Jerry क्या है? Mouse है. And they have been made enemy by the nature. Enemy ये तो nature ने बना रखा है इनको. On every episode they play pranks on each other. वो एक दूसरे पे pranks करते हैं हर episode में and forcing the audience to laugh. और लोग क्या है? इन पे हंसते हैं. forcing the audience to laugh hard. Tom and Jerry supported comic violence as their fight included many activities like slicing each other in pieces. वो slice कर देते हैं एक दूसरे को pieces में, or burning or using weapons. Because of this, it was criticized by many, but still बहुतों ने criticize भी करा इसको और बहुत प्यार भी करते हैं. Hanna-Barbera wrote, produced and directed 114 Tom and Jerry shorts at MGM Cartoon Studios in Hollywood from 1940 to 1957. The original series is notable for having won 7 Academy Awards. Original series को कितने awards मिले? 7 Academy Awards मिले. Tying with किसके साथ टाई करते हैं? Walt Disney के साथ. Silly Symphonies as a theatrical animated series with the most Oscars. A long-time television staple, Tom and Jerry has a worldwide audience. Tom and Jerry को पूरे world के audience है. Now, Fred Flintstone was made by Hanna-Barbera. Fred Flintstone किसने बनाया? Hanna-Barbera ने बनाया. And voiced by Dos Butler first. Dos Butler ने इसको voice दी थी. He was premiered in 1960. 1960 में premiere हुआ था. He is an animated husband. वो क्या एक animated husband है with a bad temper, जिसमें बहुत गुस्सा है, and not enough brains for his schemes, yet having a beautiful wife. फिर भी उसके पास beautiful wife है. He is an average caveman who enjoys with his family. ये क्या एक average caveman है जो अपनी family के साथ enjoy करता है और friends के साथ. Who loves bowling. उसको bowling बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. His catchphrase yabba dabba do. The catchphrase क्या है? Yabba dabba do. Caught kids' attention at once and they still have it on their tongue. Yabba dabba do लोग बाग आज भी बच्चे बोलते हैं. He is an impulsive and stubborn nature and is prone to accident. So his actions are confusing. That makes it funny. उसके accidents होते रहते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. So इसकी जो actions है वो उसको बहुत ज़्यादा confusing बनाते हैं और funny बनाते हैं. Scooby-Doo was created in 1969 by the writer Joe Ruby. Create कब हुआ था? 1969 में. किसने create करा था? Writer Ruby ने. Joe Ruby ने. Can Spears. It is a silly coward dog. वो क्या एक silly coward dog है? But still you will be liking the show for its horror. आपको लोग शो जब भी पसंद है उसकी डरावनी की वजह से, हॉरर की वजह से, कॉमेडी, मिस्ट्री एंड एडवेंचर्स की वजह से. कार्टून शोज पप नेम स्कूबी-डू. एक पप का नेम है स्कूबी-डू. एंड वॉच न्यू स्कूबी-डू आर वेरी फेमस शोज दैट मार्गरेट सर्के. वॉच न्यू स्कूबी-डू ये क्या है? बहुत ज्यादा फेमस शो है जो इसमें सक्सेसफुल है बहुत ज्यादा. स्कूबी-डू वाज फर्स्ट वॉइस्ड इन 1969. इसको फर्स्ट वॉइस कब करा गया था? 1969 में फर्स्ट वॉइस करा गया है बाय डॉन मेसिक. From 1969 to present, 11 successful TV series has been created. 11 successful TV series create हो चुकी है अब तक, which are loved and admired by masses and Scooby-Doo. जो love होते हैं, admire होते हैं masses से, Scooby-Doo से. So maintains its craze as usual. उसका आज भी craze है. TV series, live action, theatrical films, video games, internet games, comic books and merchandising. Scooby-Doo found its way all over them. So हर जगह है. कॉमिक बुक्स में, इंटरनेट गेम्स में, स्कूबी-डू हर जगह है. कॉमिक बुक्स में भी है, वीडियो गेम्स में भी है. So Homer Simpson. So now Homer Simpson was created and designed by Matt Groening. किसने क्रिएट करा था? किसने डिजाइन किया था? मैट ग्रोनिंग ने किया था. And a safety inspector by profession. ये क्या था? Safety inspector the profession से. He is voiced by Dan Castellaneta. किसने कहा था? Dan Castellaneta ने वॉइस दी थी इसको. And first appeared on the television in 1987. टीवी पे कब आया था? 1987 में. He is cute overnight, clumsy, lazy, ignorant, and have a heavy drinker. But overall, he is family man. वो क्या है? Family man है. Who is entirely devoted to his wife and 3 children. जो किससे devoted है? Entirely अपनी wife से और 3 children से. His catchphrase G.O. and his quote of wisdom from his past experience, low IQ, all that he got has entertained generations. का low IQ से लोग बाग entertain होते हैं. With more than 20 seasons, इसके 20 seasons से ज़्यादा आ चुके हैं. In 2000, Homer along with his family was awarded a star on Hollywood Walk of Fame. इसको Homer along को एक स्टार की जगह स्टार अवार्ड मिला था हॉलीवुड वॉक में फेम का. SpongeBob SquarePants. So is one of the funniest cartoon character. बहुत ज़्यादा funny cartoon character है. Created in 1999. 1999 में create हुआ था अमेरिकन एनिमेटेड टेलीविजन सीरीज में. हेल्प वांटेड बाय स्टेफन हिलबर्ग. सो किसने क्रिएट किया था? स्टेफन हिलनबर्ग ने किया था. ही इज एन ओवर ऑप्टिमिस्टिक स्पॉन्ज. ये ओवर ऑप्टिमिस्टिक स्पॉन्ज है दैट इरिटेट्स एवरीवन, जो हर किसी को इरिटेट करता है. He is fictional goofy sea sponge. ये क्या है? goofy sea sponge है. Who works as a fry cook. किसकी तरह वर्क करता है? fry cook की तरह. This cheerful and enthusiastic yellow sponge achieved popularity among not just the kids but also the adults. खाली इसको kids ही नहीं जानते, adults भी जानते हैं. Voice by Tim Kenny. Voice किसने दी? Tim Kenny ने voice दी थी. This squeaky clean squire went through many revisions. बहुत सारे revisions हुए हैं इनके, मतलब बहुत सारे seasons आए हैं. Even though he was criticized, इसको फिर भी criticize किया गया because his attitude and annoying nature. Kids love to watch it. उसका जो annoying था nature, बहुत ज़्यादा annoying था, attitude था, kids को पसंद आता था. It got its place in their shelves as toys and the bag etc. बच्चों के bags में भी थी जगह, bags में भी कार्टून था, उनकी shelves में भी. Now Doraemon. Doraemon is a Japanese manga series created by Fujiko Fuzio. किसने create करी थी? Fujiko Fuzio ने create करी थी. Japanese में manga series थी ये. Fujiko Fuzio ने करी थी, which later became an anime series. फिर बाद में ये एक anime series बन गई and an Asian franchise. Now the series is about an intelligent robotic. किसके बारे में? एक intelligent robotic के बारे में. रोबोटिक कैट है नेम डोरेमोन. सबको हर कोई जानता है इसको. Who travels back in time from the 22nd century to aid a preteen boy Nobita Nobi. जो कहाँ से ट्रैवल करके आया है? टाइम में ट्रैवल करके आया 22nd सेंचुरी से, किसको हेल्प करने के लिए, एड करने के लिए preteen boy that is Nobita Nobi. There are other characters too. बहुत सारे कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स है. Is your favorite cartoon character is listed above. क्या आपके फेवरेट कार्टून कैरेक्टर है हमने जो अब तक पढ़ा है उनमें. Try to find the specialties of his personality, compare them with yours. और उसको अपने फेमस कार्टून कैरेक्टर से कंपेयर करो. But he well behaved, but be well behaved. Now compare your friends with these characters. अब अपने फ्रेंड्स को इन कैरेक्टर्स से कंपेयर करो as they may leave you. Now think and answer. Now let's solve the exercises. In the film, the pictures are drawing moving speedily, motionless, or none of these. Moving speedily. A cartoon, especially funny, horror, sad, or musical. Funny. This cartoon character is typically wears a sailor suit. Winnie the Pooh, Scooby-Doo, Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck. This cartoon character loves bowling. Fred Flintstone, Doraemon, Scooby-Doo, Bugs Bunny. This cartoon character loves bowling. That is Fred Flintstone. Now, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy is the catchphrase of Donald Duck. Fill in the blanks. The Pooh Bear is sweet and now fill in the blanks. The Pooh Bear is sweet and kind. Mickey Mouse wears red shorts, large yellow shoes, and white gloves. Homer Simpson is crude, overweight, lazy. Homer Simpson is crude, overweight, bald, lazy, ignorant, and a heavy drinker. SpongeBob SquarePants is an over-optimistic sponge who annoys HNNOYS. Doraemon is a robotic cat from 22nd century. Answer the following questions now. How is Popeye the sailor portrayed? Popeye is portrayed as a brave and strong personality. It says he's a brave and strong sailor who gains immense strength and by eating spinach. Now, what is Donald Duck famous for? Donald Duck is famous for his short temper, funny, ignorant, a funny voice, and long and big feet, Now and of his because of his entertaining adventures, he is also known for his iconic sailor. Why was describe the personality of Fred Flintstone? Describe the personality of Fred Flintstone. Fred Flintstone is loud, fun loving. Describe the personality of Fred Flintstone. Fred Flintstone is loud, clumsy, and a most caring husband and father. So he is often seen trying to solve the problem in a creative ways. Now, why was cartoon character Tom and Jerry criticized? Tom and Jerry was criticized because of his promoting violence, laugh all over the world, slapstick comedy, and as the character constantly hurt each other. Now, what are the qualities of Pooh Bear? Pooh Bear is gentle, friendly, caring, loyal to his friends. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.